Hi friends, today I'm going to paint a dream of free and independent India, a picture of India that Rabindranath Tagore had in his mind when India was under the British rule and people were eagerly waiting to get their freedom. The poem is written in the form of a prayer to God, the Almighty, where the mind is without fear. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless strivings stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever widening thought and action, into that haven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. And as I read this poem, each line seems to be contradicting the real picture of independent India, refuting each and every idea that Rabindranath Tagore had for his free country. Each line compels me to put a question mark. We are living in an independent India, but is this how we wanted to live? After decades of freedom, we stand in the same place where we started, though now we don't need freedom from British rule, but from our own malpractices, wrong strategies, and their inept implementation of policies. In spite of all the development India has made, it's arguably true that India is taking its own sweet time to catch up with the developed nations. So let's get together to pledge for such a country where mind is without fear and the head is actually held high. Thank you, friends.
हम इस देश के वासी हैं जहां रोज ही दंगा रहता है, जहां रोज रोज अखबारों में स्कैमों का पंगा रहता है, जहां आम आदमी सड़कों पे आधा सा नंगा रहता है। इस हाल में भी, इस दौर में भी हर दिल में तिरंगा रहता है।